Hello, this is John Mark Stouty, the President and CEO at Riverside Resources. I'd like to go through a corporate presentation. The investment highlights for Riverside. First off, we're a very experienced, focused team. Working together, we own royalties as Riverside and we're progressing discoveries. Currently, we have over $3 million cash and $1.5 million of junior equities as well. We have a tight share structure with fewer than 68 million shares, having operated now for over 13 years. We're right now, in the next quarter, we have drilling with our partner, Hochschild Mining, who have an option to earn into the project through spending over $8 million. We also have strategic partnerships with BHP, where we're the operator with them, exploring for copper in Mexico. Riverside's very excited about upcoming drilling that we have on the Cecilia project with Carlyle Gold. And particularly, we've grown in Canada, and we'll go through in this corporate presentation some of the growth that we have in our Canadian portfolio as we expand Riverside, diversifying. With that tight share structure, we have a good position, and Riverside with shareholders. Over 60% of our shares are held within major shareholder bases, including myself in management, a strong European investor group, Sprott, Adrian Day, very strong structure. 4 C's. Riverside. The catalysts of the Corinthus drilling, catalysts with copper, catalysts with Cecilia, and catalysts with Canadian expansion will be 4 C's that I'll discuss in this presentation. Jumping right in, Corinthus project is in a great location. We're so excited. We're immediately to the east of the Mercedes mine, immediately to the west of Las Chispas, 2 companies that are presenting here at the Precious Metal Summit, Silvercrest and Premier Gold, and Riverside right in the middle with our project. The thing we really like about this is that there's no people. We have a good location, wide open, an old former mining district. Here we are along these veins. Soon we'll be drilling here and we'll be having the drill results where we're working with Hochschild Mining. We're very excited about this as one of the key catalysts for Riverside. Another catalyst for us is copper. Mexico is a world leader in copper production, and right in the middle here, in this bright yellow area, is where we're focused in the copper belt. We're focused on finding major copper projects, and we're finding these major copper projects, and we really see the potential here of going into this belt. And in this belt is a known belt of copper mines and copper deposits. For us, that's a second catalyst in Riverside. A third catalyst for us is the Cecilia gold-silver project. This we have an option with Carlyle where they're earning into it, where we're operating. It's only 40 kilometers from one of Mexico's largest copper producers. It's got great location, good access, high grades. I was just out here 2 weeks ago, out with the guys on the site, and we're progressing towards drilling in October. Very excited for the catalysts of Riverside with the Cecilia gold project. And at Cecilia, as we fly here over with the drone, we get a sense of seeing some of the mineralization and zones that we see. It's a large zone area, and we have high-grade mineralization on structures. And the thing that we really like here is that it's so easy to work again. Here we are working up on top of the Cerro Magallanes Hill. Again, no people living on top of the project. A great place to find a mine, great place to work. Many old workings, old breccias that are ready to go. So we're excited by that project. As we move north, the 4th catalyst for Riverside is our Canadian portfolio. And here, 4 projects. The High Lake Greenstone project, the Oaks project are 2 of our top priority in these belts of known gold deposits. We're very close to the Red Lake mine, which has done very well with the company Great Bear, and we're also close to Rainy River and other companies that are operating as we trend over towards Timmins Gold. Ontario itself produces over 40% of all the gold in Canada. So we're in a prolific belts, in the prolific geology, and for us, going into the Canadian exploration program is so important. And the thing that we really enjoy about the Canadian exploration program is not only that we have a lot of gold there, but also that it's so accessible. Here in these drone photos taken earlier this summer, we see ourselves where we have sampling of over 20 grams gold, high-grade mineralization right at the surface around, geophysics around us, really good targets here, we have a full portfolio moving ahead for Riverside. So Riverside has the Canadian portfolio with assets here. This are some of the key things that we like. So for us, working in the Geraldton Gold Belt, here we're near to the operations and work that's going with Centerra Gold and Premier Gold Mines. Here, where the Trans-Canada Highway crosses between east to west, the main route goes right through these old gold districts. We have key properties ready to go. For us, these projects are some of the really great things. So as we wrap up, we'd say that Riverside is 100% owned projects, highlighting the Oaks as one of the key assets that we're really excited about for catalysts coming in the next quarter. The partnered funding programs, 3 different things all moving ahead: Quarentus, BHP, and Cecilia. And not to be missed, the spin-out that we recently did, giving shareholders shares of the spin-out company Capitan. On the first day of trading, jumped up over 50% and continues to do so well as a spin-out company for us as shareholders. That is the type of business Riverside's in. Value generation, creating a portfolio, owning royalties on all of the projects, and in the next 3 months, catalysts from drilling, catalysts from partner funding, and particularly our own 100% projects. Please come and join our website. Please ask us more questions here at the Precious Metals Summit. We look forward to discussing with you Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden.